Hi, Kath. I'm just going to walk through with you how to add this plan now. You go to your Music Academy Band Night page on Planning Center. You click on Add Plan. Choose your quantity as 1. You're going to copy times from the November 9th plan. You want it to start, I think I heard you say February 22nd. Okay. Oops, one more month. There we go. And then already the new template that I created is right here. And then click on Add. And that's going to bring in all the times from November 9th and all the people and songs from your last plan, as you can see here. Okay? All right, I'm going to let you do that now.